Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Kevin back at it again. In today's video, I'm gonna be installing some ACUITY shifter base bushings, and I'm also going to be installing a shift linkage bushing upgrade. I'm gonna show you guys why I'm upgrading these parts on my car right now. I'll explain right now. So on the inside of my car, don't mind this, it's all dirty. So I lost one of these bushings that it sits in. So I was tightening it one day and then I took them out, and then this one got lost somewhere, so which is why it's not there, as you guys can tell. But all the other ones have a bush on them. It was just this one that didn't have one, which is why I'm swapping them all out right now. I just want to be safe than sorry, you know. But I'm changing this out currently. It's not too hard. It's pretty simple. Just disassemble your whole your center console right here. Take out the old ones, put in the new ones. I'll catch you guys right back. All right, what's going on, guys? So I got the bushings in, and honestly, it feels a lot better now. Everything feels a lot tighter now since putting the new bushings on. It's kind of a pain when you lose only one bushing and you gotta pay 30 bucks for this, for all 4 of them, but it's all good. Build is nearing completion before supercharged. I'm going to go install, I'm gonna go put back everything and go install. So just to show you guys, this is what comes in it. New clips. And then the new bushings. Looking crispy, brand new. ACUITY sticker. This is all we need, and let's go put it on. There is also a tutorial on how to put it on if you guys don't know. Just go to ACUITYinstruments.com. This is not sponsored at all. I just really love their product. It works really well. Have no issues or complaints. There's all the fitment for it. Yeah, let's go install it. See how it feels. Yo, what's going on, guys? So it's Kevin. This install is actually going not too bad. It's pretty easier than what I thought it would be. Here are my old bushings. They look like trash and they're disgusting. They're getting replaced by these ACUITY bushings. Here's the new easy way to remove them is to just stick a screwdriver in here and just move it around. It'll eventually pry out. I'm going to install the bushing right now. I believe this just goes in like that. Don't forget to put the little washer in there to give you this big washer to put on the back side. Should just go in pretty simple, just like that, and slice it back down. There we go. I'm not too sure how this one is gonna go. I believe like this. Yo. And then have to get the bushing. show you guys the final product. ACUITY bushing in. Money. Yes, sir. Install wasn't too bad. I am going to try to take this out somehow. I was messing with it, and yeah, so I'll get back to you guys after I take this out. Once I take it out, I'm gonna go take this car for a test drive, see how it feels. Don't mind this bash bar. I have a new one. Gonna get that changed out soon. Change that out soon for you guys, but bushings are in. I removed whatever that stupid air filter, old air filter. Right there, all the parts. I'm about to go put all these pieces back and let's go give it a test drive. So the shifter definitely feels a lot stiffer than what it did before. Like, it's really stiff. I like it. Not too bad. I'm gonna go give it a test drive. Shifter bushing, highly recommend. Doesn't feel like my old car anymore. Feels like a brand new car. There's no resistance every time I shift. Before, when I used to shift fast, I would feel like a slight resistance. But now every time I shift, there's no resistance. It feels a lot smoother and it actually feels good. Look at this, guys. Look what just pulled up on me. Let's see if I can beat him. Hope you guys enjoy. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, stay safe out there, guys. Peace.